Christmas, you filthy animal.
What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video.
I'm Rob.
I'm Brenda. This is Cooper.
December 4th.
Thank you guys for watching and supporting.
So you want to tell them what's going on today?
So today I filmed a look for you guys, like what I'm wearing today. Cute little winter EAZY look. If you want to learn how to achieve this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna prep and moisturize the skin because it's very important to hydrate your face before you apply all that makeup. This is a Rose Water 3-in-1 Prep and Prime. It has all the 3 steps in one. It's optional, you don't have to use it, but it totally helps when you're using a foundation like this because the Estee Lauder, I don't know if you guys used it before, it's very drying, so I used it for my skin. Okay, next I applied the shade Fair Light, and it's the Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to be blending that in my under eye. Then I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Dip Brow in the shade Taupe. Here I'm warming up the Dip Brow because it tends to be very dry. Sometimes I like to put a few moisturizing drops in there, but it tends to break me out, so I try to stay out of that habit. Eyebrows are usually what takes me the least amount of time. I usually just do 1 or 2 strokes and fill in the gaps of my eyebrows. Shout out to my parents. So next, I'm going to be grabbing the Tarte palette in the name In Bloom. So here, I'm going to be dipping my brush in these 2 creamy pearly colors in the shade Charmer and Flower Child. And it doesn't have to be exactly this palette. You can go ahead and use whatever palette you feel comfortable with that have the same shades or similar to these. And I'm applying it to my eyelid right now, and I'm gonna just emphasize it later. So for now, I'm just prepping it and applying a quick little layer of the creamy shades. Then I'm going to be grabbing the shade Smarty Pants, which is a cute shade of khaki brown, and I'm applying that to the crease of my eye. Okay, as I'm watching this and editing, I'm cringing at the fact that I didn't dump off the axis. And on top of that warm, lovely shade of khaki brown, I'm going to be applying the taupey shade in the name Jet Setter to deepen my crease and emphasize my eye. Okay, here is where I'm going back and I'm emphasizing with those same 2 creamy colors, and I'm not using the perfect brush because again, this is a quick tutorial, so it doesn't have to be perfect, and just try your best. Going to see me tap all 3 shades in the light to medium contour kit from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, who else has owned an Anastasia contour kit? I feel like I've had this forever and it just doesn't hit pan. Just adding some warmth all over the face to give it some more life. Oh my goodness, me and my sister have been using this brand for years. It's the Milani blush in the shade Dolce Pink, and it gives you like a pretty pink glow. So like I said, this is a quick tutorial, so I just grabbed whatever was left on the brush and I warmed up my nose and applied it to just give my nose some contrast. So I'm about to use my eyeliner. I feel like there's controversy about this. Some people do want to see it, some people don't. Everyone does their eyeliner differently, so I figured I would show you guys the method I do, which is just applying it in the inner corner and outlining first, and then I go in and shade. But everyone does it differently, so I just left it in there in case you guys were curious. Side note, but I've always been told that I do my eyeliner very quickly, and it's just something I've been doing for years, so it's not that it gets easier, but you just get better. So next, I'm just grabbing the Mega Volume Wet n Wild mascara. I got it on sale at Target. It's my first time using it. So far, I like it, but it does get on my eyelids because my eyelashes are a little long. If you have the same problem as me, I have a cool little hack for you that you can do. You can grab a piece of blank white paper and you can put it on your eyelid to prevent from mascara transferring onto your eyes. So since I haven't had time to go buy lashes and I ran out, I'm just putting mascara on and I'm just going to call it a day. And you start to apply a highlight in all the areas that the light hits, your brow bone, your cheekbone, and I like to apply it on my nose because when the light hits, it makes your nose appear smaller. And we're done. Alright, it's time for hair. I'm going to detangle my hair and brush and comb any knots that I may have in there so that it makes it easier for me to pick out pieces and just select with whatever needs to be styled. So I'm going to be styling my hair with this amazing 1-inch Conair double ceramic straightener where I can control the temperature so that I don't burn my hair. This is previously styled hair in this case, so I'm just waving, but I'm basically just showing you guys the front pieces and the method that I do. I just deep wave the front pieces to get that effortless, beachy, wet wave look. I hope you guys like my tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you back in the next video. Cooper, now you and Dada are matching. Grab them. Oh, my little babies. My little sugar babies. Look at my little sugar babies. Okay.
Alright. Coffee's a must in this house. I drink this stuff all day. I make one big pie and just, yeah. Want anything in it?
I did want my little cinnamon dolce latte.
I don't think I want lip gloss.
I think I like it without the lip gloss. Yeah, I could go get it myself, but I'll let you be a gentleman.
This is hers. She loves it. Actually pretty good. But I drink my coffee black, so I don't really care.
It's weird too. Like you hold it with your finger, and then you pull it up, and then you close it.
Oh, that's cool. You don't have to unscrew nothing.
Get down, you're gonna fall. Good boy.
Uh-oh.